mailbox held the same old rain. No postcard with a changed address. I traced the number in my brain. A ghost phone in an empty dress. Why look for someone who chose to miss? The scraped up knees, the bedtime fears. That's when you needed him the most. A vanished voice across the years. Now grown, I guess I make a map of all the cracks it leaving rot. I fill the blanks with maybes, perhaps, and battles that he never fought. Why look when every scar's a proof of all you had to bear alone? That's when you needed him the most, when every night felt overblown. Not for a father now you see, or for a daddy left behind. I look to find the missing piece of me he planted in my mind. Why look? Because the child still asks. Beneath the adult I become. That's when you needed him the most. That's why the searching's never done.